Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to reset the oil life and set it to 100%. This video should apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. Now to start, first you want to press the left menu button on the steering wheel to enter the main vehicle menu. Okay, I will try to squeeze my phone inside. And now you will scroll down until you reach settings and press OK in the middle. And here you want to select the vehicle, press OK and scroll down to oil life reset. And now you can set it to 100%, 90%, whichever option you want to. To reset it, you want to press hold, press OK and hold it for a couple of seconds. And that's it, and you should reset the oil life every time you do the oil change, and then the vehicle will remind you when the next oil change is due. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.